So that kind of western part of the Indo-Gangetic basin is the one that often gets the highlights. You know, there was a very famous paper by Macdonald, and of course there's Tiwari in India as well, that showed with the grey satellites this great depletion. But actually that hides a lot of nuance and interesting hydrogeology when you look at it in more detail. So the way the aquifer works there is that you have quite a lot of rainfall in the northern part of it, so there's quite a lot of recharge in that aquifer, which is why it was quite prolific. But you've also had the canal network, and the Indo-Gangetic basin has been hugely modified by humans over the last 150 years plus. So by creating the canal network, that water, some of the water from the canals, has leaked into that aquifer and made the water levels in that aquifer rise. So they're actually quite shallow, were quite shallow in that part of the aquifer. So historically, maybe 200 years ago, some of the water levels might have been quite deep, but humans have, by putting canals in there, raised the water levels quite high. And it's on the back of that then the depletion has happened. So the modern depletion there should be seen in a kind of context of rising groundwater levels over the last maybe 150, 200 years.